Hello, Huffman Hawks. It is so wonderful to see you today. If you are watching this video, then I will be guiding you through each slide of your art lesson for today. Let's go ahead and get started. Your first activity is to watch this exciting and dramatic video about your art lesson today. When you are done watching the video, we would like you to plan your final art piece. This is a day of exploring textures that can be observed in our world and using drawing and painting techniques to simulate them on a 2D surface. Here's the definition for texture. In the visual arts, texture is the perceived surface quality of a work of art. This is an element of 2D and 3D art forms and is described by its apparent visual and physical properties. The use of texture, along with other elements of design, can convey a variety of messages and emotions. It is now time to create. First, search the internet for photographs of sea animals and ocean creatures for visual reference. Find at least 5 animals or creatures that have interesting surface textures on their bodies. Include these images on your digital portfolio in the painting unit on Plan and Create page. The second activity is to use a pencil to trace your hand on a sheet of paper. Now, using a thin line permanent marker on each finger, create a different simulated texture using the textures you found during your research of sea animals and ocean creatures. When complete, experiment with adding color to each texture using watercolor paints. To help experiment with watercolor techniques you can use to achieve the simulated texture you're trying to show, use the attached watercolor technique worksheet. And while you work, feel free to listen to the art texture song. Here are examples of how to use pen and ink to create texture. If you have a question about the art lesson, you can reach me at any time through my email at miranda.smith@pisd.edu. Or you can call me on my work phone during school hours at 469-752-1954. However, now that we are back to face-to-face learning, there is a chance that I'll be teaching a class when you call. If that is the case, I will answer the phone to take down your name and number so that I may call you back to help you with your question.